Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Start with the right foundation. In this video, I will explain how to make hot chocolate like McDonald's. First, gather your ingredients: 2 cups of whole milk, 2 tablespoons of unsweetened cocoa powder, 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar, and 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Don't forget a tiny pinch of salt to really bring out the chocolatey goodness. For an even richer taste, consider adding 1 tablespoon of chocolate syrup. Now, let's prepare the base. Pour 2 cups of whole milk into a saucepan and heat it over medium heat. Be careful not to let it boil, we just want it steaming gently. While the milk warms, in a separate small bowl, combine your 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder and 2 tablespoons of sugar. Whisk these dry ingredients together thoroughly. This crucial step helps prevent any lumps when you add them to the warm milk, ensuring a perfectly smooth hot chocolate. Once your milk is warm and your dry ingredients are mixed, it's time to combine them. Slowly whisk the cocoa and sugar mixture into the warm milk in the saucepan. Continue stirring constantly until everything is fully dissolved and smooth. Now, bring the hot chocolate to a gentle simmer, letting it cook for about 2 minutes. This simmering time is key for the flavors to truly meld and deepen, giving you that rich, satisfying taste. Almost there, remove the hot chocolate from the heat. Now, stir in your 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract and that tiny pinch of salt. Give it a good final stir to ensure all the flavors are perfectly distributed. Pour your delicious, homemade hot chocolate into your favorite mug. For the ultimate treat, top it with a generous swirl of whipped cream and a drizzle of chocolate syrup, just like you'd get from your favorite fast food spot. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.